Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, dear respected teachers and beloved audience. My name is Moshe Kabir Hira. You can call me Hira. Today I'll be diving into a topic that affects every single one of us: happiness. But instead of approaching it from a philosophical or poetic angle, we will explore it through the lens of science. For this topic, let me start a simple question. What makes us truly happy? Is it money, success, relationships? Let me introduce this topic, our main body. Happiness isn't just a random emotion that comes and goes. Science shows that influenced by a complex mix of brain chemistry, psychology, and lifestyle. Number one, the chemistry of joy. The chemistry of joy at the start of happiness, lies our brain. Four key chemicals: dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, and endorphins. Number one, dopamine. Dopamine is the reward chemical released when we achieve goals. Number two, serotonin. Serotonin is released to mood and social well-being. Number three, oxytocin loves the hormone and promoting trust and bonding. Number four, endorphins reduce pains and stress, often released during exercise. Number two, psychology of happiness. Studies in positive psychology tells us that happiness isn't just about what happens to us, how we interpret those events. Gratitude, optimism, and mindfulness are those powerful tools. Research shows that people who practice gratitude daily are not only happier but also healthier. Number three, lifestyle and habits matter. Science has proven that sleep, nutrition, exercise, and social connections significantly influence our mental state. A 20-minute walk, a good night's rest, and spending with loved ones can chemically and emotionally boost our happiness levels. Conclusion: to sum up, happiness is isn't mystery; it's a science. By understanding the biology, psychology, and lifestyle factors behind happiness, we gain the power to create a better life, not just for ourselves but for everyone around us. Thank you.